at a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom apartment located in Kingston 8 for $37 million. What I love about this unit, as you walk in, this is the living and the dining area. It's very spacious. It is well lit. There's a lot of natural lighting. I love this. Now, here we're going to take a look at the powder room. Again, nice powder room. The kitchen is to die for. Nice dark woods, nice granite top. And again, I'm going to show you the space from this angle. Nice spacious living room and dining. Now, we're entering the first bedroom. Lovely bedroom. Again, a lot of natural lighting. It's really spacious. And then we're heading to the bathroom. Nice gray tiles. A nice standing shower. Again, this is very rare. And now we have the pool. Only for $37 million. If you're interested, the details are listed below.